Next is question number 10. F of x is equal to 4x minus 1. G of x is equal to x square. H of x is equal to 3 raised to power minus x. Its part A is find in its simplest form. Its first part is f of x minus 3. F of x is 4x minus 1. We have to find f of x minus 3. So f of x minus 3 is equal to 4 into x minus 3 minus 1. Expanding the bracket, 4x minus 12 minus 1. Now simplifying it, 4x minus 13. Second part is g of 5x. G of x is x square. So g of 5x is equal to 5x and its square. Now 5 square will be 25 and x square. So 25x square. Its B part is find f inverse of x. F of x is 4x minus 1. Let y is equal to f of x. From this, x is equal to f inverse of y. Let's put f of x as y. Y is equal to 4x minus 1, and from this x is equal to y plus 1 over 4. Now x is equal to f inverse of y. So f inverse of y is equal to y plus 1 over 4. Now replacing y with x. So this equation implies f inverse of x is equal to x plus 1 over 4. X plus 1 over 4. Part C is find the value of h of 1 correct to 4 significant figures. Now h of x is 3 raised to power minus x. Raised to power minus x. Now h of 1 is 3 raised to power minus 1, and this is equal to 1 over 3. Now we have to find h of 1. So h of 1 is equal to h of 1 over 3, and this will be 3 raised to power minus 1 over 3. 3 raised to power minus 1 over 3, which is 0.69336, and give answer to 4 significant figures. This will be 0.6934. We will write here 0.6934. Its part D is, and its first part is, show that g of 3x minus 2 minus h of minus 3 can be written as 9x square minus 12x minus 23. G of x is what? Function g of x is x square. This is x square, and h of x is 3 raised to power minus x. Now g of 3x minus 2 is equal to 3x minus 2 and its square. This will be 9x square plus 4 minus 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 3x is 12x. And now h of minus 3, this will be equal to 3 raised to power minus minus 3, then 3 raised to power 3, which is 3 cube is 27. Now g of 3x minus 2 minus h of minus 3 is equal to 9x square plus 4 minus 12x minus h of minus 3 is 27. This is equal to 9x square, rearranging it, minus 12x. Now minus 27 plus 4 is minus 23, hence proved. Its second part is use the quadratic formula to solve 9x square minus 12x minus 23 is equal to 0 and give your answers correct to 2 decimal places. From this equation, a is equal to 9, b is equal to minus 12 and c is equal to minus 23. So by quadratic formula, this will be minus 12 plus minus 12 square minus 4 into 9 into minus 23 over 2 into 9. This is equal to 12 plus minus, solving the square root, which is minus 12 square minus 4 times 9 times minus 23, which is 18 into square root of 3 over 18. From this, x is equal to 12 plus 18 into 3 square root over 18, or x is equal to 12 minus 18 3 square root over 18. Twelve plus 18 square root of 3 over 18, which is 2.3987, and we have to give answer correct to 2 decimal places. So this will be 2.40. X is equal to 2.40, or 12 minus 18 into square root of 3 over 18, which is minus 1.06. So the answers are 2.40 or minus 1.06. Its part E is find x when f of 61 is equal to h of x. Now f of x is 4x minus 1. (4x minus 1) and h of x is 3 raised to power minus x. Now f of 61. F of 61 is equal to 4 into 61 minus 1. 4 multiplied by 61 minus 1, which is 243. And given that f of 61 is equal to h of x. So from this 243 is equal to 3 raised to power minus x. Now 243 is 3 raised to power 5 is 243. So 3 raised to power 5 is equal to 3 raised to power minus x. If base is same, then powers are equal. So from this minus x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 5.